It's a very common thought that when we are starting out, we tend to think that we need to spend thousands of dollars in marketing or we need to spend money on ads on all that stuff. But that's not really, that's not the truth. I have grown a YouTube channel from zero to almost 2,000 subscribers, and I didn't even spend a single dollar creating ads on all that stuff. So in this video, I want to show you how Calendly was able to grow their product without spending a single dollar on ads when they were starting out. So the truth that nobody wants to admit at first is that most software as a service don't die because they suck. I mean, they die because they weren't designed to be seen. Nobody uses them, nobody sees them, and they weren't designed as I'm telling you to be seen. I mean, products cannot succeed if they are not actively used by their target audience. Also, a product's utility is irrelevant if potential users are unaware of its existence. Many founders also prioritize features and design and all that stuff over based in distribution. And that's a very common thing. I mean, and I don't blame you because I'm also a builder, I'm also a founder, but most of the founders underestimate the work that it takes to really be consistent and to get users for your app, for your apps. You need to put a lot of time into distribution to make your app successful. It's not enough having a good product, because if you have a good product but no one sees your product, I mean, it doesn't matter. So Calendly didn't invent scheduling. It didn't beat competitors through founding or complexity. The secret was transforming a private action into a public one. Okay, before Calendly, scheduling happened behind closed doors, hiding in email chains. A process remained invisible to external parties. And then after Calendly, a simple link shared openly, streamlined scheduling process, and immediate positive experience. So what Calendly did is Calendly converted a mundane task into a powerful distribution channel, making the product virally usable rather than merely viral. They used something different, okay? When people think user acquisition, they think traditional marketing. But Calendly used something that a lot of founders don't pay attention to, which is referral marketing, okay? Embedded distribution. People would use their product, okay? Normal product usage led to automatic sharing. So continuous cycle exposure led to conversions and obviously more exposure. But one of the most important thing is that they went from a traditional approach to a approach where almost, I mean, the product itself, the product was recommending it is itself. I mean, people were using the product and that usage turned into more usage. Under the traditional approach, you build the product, then you add features, then you polish the UI, and then you ask, how do I get users? What Calendly did is, first of all, they designed the distribution, they built for that distribution, they created pool-based growth, and then that led to natural user acquisition. Because when growth is part of the product's DNA, you achieve all-based growth rather than push marketing. So what Calendly didn't do, okay, what Calendly avoided was first of all fancy dashboards, a massive feature set, enterprise complexity, shiny UI, vanity metrics, paid acquisition, influencer hype, and branding exercises. What Calendly optimized for was first of all no friction, instant value, clear utility, a shareable action, professional identity boost, distribution first, and simplicity as a weapon. So basically, Calendly 8-step growth engine turns every user sign up into automatic product advertisement through link sharing. Okay, first of all, the user signs up, then he creates an event, then he shares the link, then the link reaches let's say 10 people, someone clicks, he thinks, okay, this is smooth, okay, then he creates an account and then the loop repeats. Calendly grows because using the product automatically advertises the product, which is awesome. And this is the psychological trigger, okay? You receive a Calendly link. Senders appears professional. You think this is an organized person and you want the same identity. Calendly didn't just offer a tool, it offers an identity, okay, which is a significantly stronger selling proposition than mere features. And I think, any product can be shareable. The notion that a product cannot be designed for distribution is often laziness disguised as logic. In reality, almost any product can incorporate shareable elements if engineered with purpose. So the 7 viralization mechanics that you can use are, first of all, the shareable link, instant micro results, which is one of the most powerful ways to grow your product, the demonstration effect, social identity boost, the curiosity trigger, okay, generates questions about the tool used, product generated content, bi-directional value, and the Calendly advantage on all over this. So if you want to apply what Calendly did, you need to first of all identify your viralizable action. Then you turn that into something shareable. Then you remove all the friction and all the things that distract the user. Then you create a micro result. Then you make sharing the default next step. Then you craft the receiver experience. And then finally, one-click reputation. This takes you from dependent growth to autonomous growth, okay? From dependent growth, which is inconsistent growth patterns, founder burnout, pipeline depends on good weeks, manual marketing efforts, to consistent sustainable growth, product-led expansion, embedded distribution, and founder freedom. Most founders think they need more features, more complexity, more modes of coding, a larger team, but the truth is that what they actually need is discoverability, okay? The singular requirement for a software as a service product to thrive is being found by users. So I hope this video at least helped you. I think there are a lot of things that we can take from here, from Calendly's growth, and we can apply them on our products and on our applications. Don't forget to share this video if you have a friend that is creating a software as a service or any kind of software. If you liked this video, you can hit the like button and subscribe so you can keep reaching new people, which helps me a lot and it only takes 2 seconds. Thank you very much for watching and I hope to see you on the next video.